It started with a text from an unknown number, one that made my blood run cold. "Do not answer the door tonight. It's not what you think." My heart raced as I stared at the message, its contents searing into my mind. I lived alone in a quiet apartment complex, the kind where you know your neighbors' faces but not their names. The sun dipped below the horizon, casting eerie shadows that seemed to stretch menacingly towards my window. I tried to shake off the anxiety, convincing myself it was a prank. But as the evening wore on, the air grew dense with an unshakable sense of dread. Around midnight, a soft knock echoed through the silence, the sound a mere whisper yet deafening in its implication. My phone buzzed again. The same number. "It's not what you think." Against every instinct, I peeked through the peephole. What I saw was impossible, a reflection of myself, tired eyes staring back with an expression of